Okay, don't laugh at me, but you guys don't even want to know how much effort I put into trying to make this look good. This morning, I had my third L test for like my L driver's license. I got my L. Then after I got my L, I went to Whole Foods. I got my goat's kefir, my eggs, and then literally massive thing of lamb. I told the guy, I said, look, give me the smallest piece there is. And he gave me this whole thing. Trim off the fat because there's a ton of fat on it. And then I'm gonna roast it in the oven with rosemary and garlic. So last time I did garlic only, it was missing rosemary. I already know there's gonna be like some manly man out there like watching this video thinking, what the hell are you doing? BT Dubs is a grass-fed lamb from New Zealand. All these happy lambs running around in fields, eating grass in the sunshine is a very healthy chunk of meat. My hands are literally covered in lamb fat. Something about this just makes me feel very in tune with my ancestors in the Ice Age, running around naked with their bows and arrows, hunting the bison, except I'm in my Lululemon biker shorts in the sunshine and I have mascara on. I know it's literally just lamb and roasted carrots, but I hate cooking so much and I had no interest in popping on a thing of rice or sticking a potato into the oven. This is what we have going on. And I'm very proud of myself because I think it looks pretty damn good.